What do you see?
What is that, Benjamin? What is that?
Is that a big boy bed?
Yeah,
Can you get onto it?
Whose big boy bed is that?
mine.
Yeah, that's your bed. I guess he's getting out by himself. Yay! Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? That's where you can sleep from now on. How's that? Is that cool? Yeah.
I can bounce.
You can bounce.
Jump in on the bed.
You can bounce. You can bounce. You want to go bounce?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Yeah. Let's have fun. Yay. This is also your dresser over here, buddy. These are your drawers now.
Can I see my dress?
Yeah, it's your dresser. Go ahead, sweetie.
No.
Nothing inside, not yet. But you